Good day, everyone. Today we are going to look at the construction of the identificative copulative. Isibanjalo, sesakhi, no yi. This is for grade 8 and it was compiled by Miss N. Morta. We will start with the construction of the positive identificative copulative, which is ukuvuma, isibanjalo, sesakhi, no yi. We put together the subject concord and ng or y followed by the noun. The subject concord is in brackets because it is optional. The identificative copulative translates to is, am, are, it is. Ng goes with a or u nouns and yi goes with e nouns. For example, mina nginguthisha. The noun we are working with is uthisha and it starts with u. Therefore, the identificative copulative marker will be ng. The subject concord for mina is ngi. The final sentence will be mina nginguthisha. I am a teacher. The second example, umalume uyiphoyisa. The noun we are working with is iphoyisa. Because it starts with e, the identificative copulative marker will be ye. The subject concord for umalume is u, and the complete sentence will be umalume uyiphoyisa. Uncle is a policeman. The next example, izivakashi zingabantwana. The noun we are working with is abantwana. Because it starts with a, the identificative copulative marker will be ng. The subject concord for izivakashi is z. Therefore, the complete sentence will be izivakashi zingabantwana. Visitors are children. The next example, oThogo bango dokotela. The noun we are working with is o dokotela. Because it starts with o, the identificative copulative marker will be ng. The subject concord for oThogo is ba. The complete sentence will therefore be oThogo bango dokotela. Togo and friends are doctors. Buka izibonelo zokuchaza umndeni kaSipho. Look at the examples to describe Sipho's family. Lona ngumndeni kaSipho. The noun we are working with is umndeni and it starts with u. Therefore, the identificative copulative marker will be ng. Lona ngumndeni kaSipho. This is Sipho's family. Ubaba kaSipho ngudokotela. The noun we are working with is udokotela, and because it starts with u, the identificative copulative marker will be ng. Ubaba kaSipho ngudokotela. Sipho's father is a doctor. Umama kaSipho ngunesi. Sipho's mother is a nurse. Ugogo Zulu ngugogo kaSipho. Gogo Zulu is Sipho's grandmother. Uthandi yindodakazi kaMshengu. The noun we are working with is indodakazi, and because it starts with I, the identificative copulative marker will be yi. Uthandi yindodakazi kaMshengu. Thandi is Mshengu's daughter. Ubhuti kaSipho ngummeli. Sipho's brother is a lawyer. Ubusi yingane kaThandi. Busi is Thandi's child. uThoko ngumzukulu kaGogo. Thoko is the grandchild of Gogo Zulu. Now, let us look at the construction of the absolute pronoun before we negate the identificative copulative. The absolute pronoun is called Isabizwana soQobo in isiZulu. To construct it, we prefix a subject concord to ona. The first rule says, if the subject concord has more than one letter, you cancel the vowel of the subject concord. For example, the absolute pronoun for isikole is sona. You construct it by putting together the subject concord for isikole, which is C, to ona, and you'll have two vowels together, which is not allowed. You therefore cancel the vowel of the subject concord, which is E, and your answer will be sona. Isikole, sona. The second rule says, if the subject concord has one letter, you change the subject concord. E to yi and u to wo. For example, the absolute pronoun for ingane is yona, constructed by prefixing the subject concord e for ingane to ona. Have your two vowels together, which is not allowed. You then change e to yi because it is a one-letter subject concord. The absolute pronoun for umuti is wona, which is constructed by putting or prefixing the subject concord for umuti, which is u, to ona. You then have two vowels together, which is not allowed. Because it is a single letter subject concord, you therefore convert u to wo. And therefore, the absolute pronoun for umuti is wona. The next rule says, if the subject concord is u for people, use yena. Don't apply the rule. This is an exception. The absolute pronoun for umuntu will therefore be yena. Conversationally, if the subject concord is a, use wona, even though ona would still suffice grammatically. For example, amanzi will be wona conversationally, and grammatically, ona still suffices. Let us now look at the negative of the identificative copulative, which would say ukuphika, isibanjalo, sesakhi, ungo, no, yi. We prefix a negative absolute pronoun, negative subject concord to an absolute pronoun. We construct a negative subject concord by putting together a and a subject concord to that absolute pronoun and the noun which we would have converted to the absolute pronoun. For example, mina ngingunesi. To negate that, you're going to say mina angiyena unesi. Yena is an absolute pronoun for unesi, and then you write them together as two separate words. Mina angiyena unesi. Umalume uyiphoyisa. What do you think the negative would be? Did you try it? Let us see. Umalume akalona iphoyisa, because the absolute pronoun for iphoyisa is lona, and you put it together with iphoyisa, which you've converted into an absolute pronoun, and the subject concord for u people is aka, and the complete sentence will be umalume akalona iphoyisa. Let's try the next one. Izivakashi zingabantwana. Did you try it? All right. The answer should be izivakashi azibona abantwana. Let's try the next one. All right. Phikisa imisho elandelayo ngokusebenzisa ulwazi lwesithombe sokuqala. Negate the following sentences using the information from the first photo. We said, Lona ngumdeni kaSipho. I hope we're all happy with that. Lona ngumdeni kaSipho. Let us see. Ubaba kaSipho ngummeli. Are you happy with that information? Ubaba kaSipho ngummeli. If we had to say, no, he is not a lawyer, how would you say it in isiZulu? Did you get it? Let us see. Cha, akayena ummeli. The subject concord for the absolute pronoun for ummeli is yena, and the negative subject concord for u people is aka. Therefore, you'd say cha, akayena ummeli. Let us look at the next one. Umama kaSipho yisekela. Is Sipho's mother a deputy? How would you say she is not a deputy? All right, let us see. Cha, akalona isekela. Next one. uThandi yindodakazi kaDube. Is Thandi Dube's daughter? Do you remember? I think not. Let us see how you would negate it in isiZulu and say no, Thandi is not Dube's daughter. Did you try it? Let us see. Cha, akayona indodakazi kaDube. All right, ubhuti kaSipho ngunesi. Negative will be cha, akayena unesi. Ubusi yingane kaLulu. Cha, akayona ingane kaLulu. uGoguzulu ngumama kaBheki. Cha, akayena umama kaBheki. uThoko ngumzukulu kaGoguthwala. Cha, akayena umzukulu kaGoguzulu. Correction there. It should have been uThoko ngumzukulu kaGoguthwala. And the negative should be cha, akayena umzukulu kaGoguthwala. Ngoba phela ungumzukulu kaGoguzulu. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.